Hi, today we're going to practice telling time on an analog clock. This is an analog clock. You will notice it has two pieces that we call hands. And one of them is shorter and generally does not cover up the numbers, and the other one is longer and generally does cover up the numbers. Let's talk about the shorthand first. The shorthand is the hour hand. It tells the hour, and when we write the time, this is where the hour goes. It takes 1 hour for the hour hand to move from one number to the next number. Let's observe as I twist this clock to make it fast forward how the hour hand moves just a little bit at a time. It's just starting to creep around. I'm halfway around with that long hand, and as it comes back up, this would represent 1 hour having passed. The shorthand is moved from the 2 to the 3. The hour moved from 2 to 3. 2 o'clock to 3 o'clock. Now you saw that the shorthand, the hour hand, moved just a little bit, but I moved this hand, the long hand, all the way around. The long hand is called the minute hand. It tells you the number of minutes that have happened after the hour. They call it the hour or o'clock, and it looks like this when this long hand, the minute hand, is pointing straight up at 12. That's like where we start. That's place 0, 0, and we call it o'clock. This long hand is the minute hand, and it tells you the number of minutes, and this is where we write it when we're writing about telling time. It takes 5 minutes for the minute hand to move from one number to the next number. So here, this is 3 o'clock, and 2, 3, 4, this would be 5 minutes past 3 o'clock. And then I move another group of 5, 10 minutes past 3 o'clock, or 3:10. 15 minutes past 3 o'clock, or 3:15. Oops, pretend it's precise. 20 minutes past 3 o'clock. 25 minutes past. 30 minutes. Now I'm counting my 5s because it takes 5 minutes to move to the next number. 35 minutes, 40 minutes, 45 minutes, and you might notice this shorthand, the hour hand, slowly creeping because it's moving away from 3 to the next hour. Now we're at 3:45. We move 5 more minutes, 3:50, 3:55. And as we come back up here, this is like 3:59, but we never say this one. We never say 3:60, even though this was 55, because we're back now at o'clock. And we can see that our shorthand is pointing to the 4 to make this time 4 o'clock. So the shorthand moves between the numbers, takes a whole hour. The long hand to get from one number to the next only takes 5 minutes.